blessed. I hope this special will be a blessing to your hearts.